Hello everyone, in this video I will compare ViaBTC, F2Pool, and NiceHash. ViaBTC is a global crypto mining pool that supports many cryptocurrencies. It offers different payout methods like PPS+, PPLNS, and solo mining. The platform also includes tools for real-time hash rate monitoring, profit calculators, auto coin conversion, and a built-in wallet. Fees are usually low and it aims to keep the orphan rate minimal, meaning fewer wasted blocks. It's flexible and secure, making it a good option for miners who want control and convenience, though it can be slightly complicated for beginners. F2Pool is one of the oldest and most reliable mining pools, also supporting a wide range of coins. It offers payout methods like FPPS and PPLNS, allowing users to choose what works best for them. The fee depends on the chosen method. For example, FPPS usually has around 4% fee, while PPLNS has about 2%. Users can also select different payout thresholds and even use merged mining to earn rewards from multiple coins at once. F2Pool is great for those who like to optimize their mining, but it does require more setup and attention to detail. NiceHash, on the other hand, works differently. It's more of a hash power marketplace where users can sell or buy mining power. The platform automatically mines the most profitable coins and pays users in Bitcoin. It's very beginner-friendly and easy to use with a clean interface and plug-and-play setup. However, since it takes several types of fees and only pays in Bitcoin, the overall profit can be lower compared to traditional mining pools. It's best for casual miners who want simplicity rather than maximum control or profit. Overall, NiceHash is the easiest option for beginners who just want to start mining without much setup. ViaBTC offers a balance between control and convenience, while F2Pool provides the highest potential profits for those willing to learn and optimize. If you want the best mix of performance and payout flexibility, F2Pool is generally the better choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.